Good morning, students. Today we are again here to continue another class, and we will start today with a new chapter, that is Advanced Features of Microsoft Windows 2013. So we will learn today some of the features of Windows, Microsoft Office Word, which will be explained in how different manner we can work with MS Word. At first, I'll open Word. So for opening Word, we need to go to search bar and we will write only Word. You can see that Word 13 is showing over there. So you click on this and your Word document will open. As my Word is not registered, so it is opening in this way. Now here I maximize the window and I'll be double clicking on the blank document. So as I click on the blank document, you can see a blank screen is open, a work area with a ribbon. This entirely is known as a ribbon with lot of buttons and lot of different button groups are available. These are all different tabs which you have already done in your class 5. So I am not explaining this too much. But from this tab, we are going to see some of the few features of Word 2013 which your 2013 is providing. So there are some few features of MS Word which will always help you to work with Word easily. Now first of all, I must say why we are using this Word. We are actually using this Word for any kind of text oriented work. So if I want to do any text oriented work, means letter, or we are making one notice, or we are designing one form, like, so whatever we are making in this Word are all basically for text oriented work. So we need to always consider that when we are using Word is basically used for text oriented things. Now we are going to start, like Microsoft Word offers effective features like inserting header and footer and creating tables that help in presenting information in a systematic and organized manner. So we are always using our Word to show your data in a systematic and in organized manner. So to make it systematic and organized, we should always use these advanced features of Microsoft Word, which is very useful and essential, and always definitely it will help you to reduce your effort, your workload. So it also provides the mail merge feature that let you create multiple copies of letters with more or less similar text. So we are going to learn one more thing in this chapter, where we will see that we can write letters to multiple peoples, and we will write the letter once only, and we can send this letter to multiple people without writing the same letter again and again for everybody. So this is a very unique feature of Word, which is very essential. Whenever you are, suppose you are inviting anybody, so you need to write the same letter again and again to everybody. At that time, mail merge helps you a lot. So we will learn about mail merge in the later part of this chapter. So first of all, today I will start with adding header and footer. First of all, I must say that whenever we are working with header and footer, whenever we are adding header and footer, we must know about header and footer properly. So for making header and footer properly, I will take some more pages from here. So suppose I will give a page break. So see, page break is there. So page break will help you to give multiple pages. So in my, you can see over here, page 3 of 3. So my Word document is having 3 pages right now, and I will be there in my first page. So I will be there in my first page. So you can see now what exactly the header and footer do is, the header and footer option lets you insert text or graphics at the top or bottom of each page in your document. The most important feature of Word is you can add a header and a footer in your page, and that will be basically used to give a heading of your page or to make a footer of your page, like the page number that we provide can be set always in the footer part of your page. So this option is very useful for inserting chapters, names, logos or pictures, page numbers, date and time and so on across all the pages. So you can this feature will help you to add any kind of logo or any such thing which you can add, and it will be shown you accordingly. So let us learn to insert header and footer in a document. First of all, inserting a predefined header or footer. See, Microsoft Word provides a list of predefined design options for header and footer. The steps for inserting predefined header or footer are, see, first of all, we need to put one header and footer. For that, we need to go to Insert tab. So we are right now in the Insert tab. From here, we will be going to the header and footer part. You can see the header and footer block is available over here. So header, footer and page number, 3 blocks are there. So from here, I will give the header part. I'll click on the header part, and I can, these some few formats given over here. So from here, I can choose any of the header part, or we can also add on more headers from here. These are all online headers. So from here, online office can help you to get more, or you can edit header by yourself. You can click edit header. So you can see here you can put your own header. Like suppose I am writing over here as Satish Chandra Memorial School. So you can see this I have this text I have written. I'll be increasing the size of this so that it looks good. Now I'll be putting it in the middle. Now you can see that this is your header, okay, where I have written this one. Now I'll add one footer. See, insert. I'll add one footer, like click on this footer, and then I'll choose any of the footer from here. Suppose edit footer. I have written over here, this is the footer part of your page. So this will help you to give footer part of your page. So you can see this one will be coming at the bottom of your page. So header and footer both are added. Now some of the few steps from here you can see, like I can add one header and add one footer. Also I can add a page number over here. So I'll be going to the insert part, and I'll put one page number from the header and footer section only. So I'll suppose put at the bottom of the page like this one. So you can see page number 1 has came. So in this way also you can add one, or we can also put it at the right corner in this way by pressing your tab keys to set your footer part of your page. Now this is basically the editing part. This part is basically customizing your header and footer. You can put your own customization things over here, and also there are some few header and footers available. Like we can go to the insert tab. From here, if I choose any of the headers of given forms, that can also be taken, which I have told. In the same way, you can take one footer part, and here also you can choose any of the footer already given format that you want. So these are the different ways by which you can add some header and footer into your page. Now I'll save the document by any name. Suppose I'm giving it as practice. Okay. Now save it by name of practice. Now you can see this page is already saved. Now what you can say that what is the use of all this? I can write it by default by myself only. Why will I use header and footer in this way? What is the use of this header and footer always? So this will help you to give it in a different manner. See, if I go to the next page, see I am in the page 2. Here also Satish Chandra Memorial School is written. I am going to the page 3. See, here also the same thing is written. So whatever I have written in the first page, all are coming in every page. And similarly, page number 1 in the first page. Now we are coming to the page number 2. See, automatically page number 2 has come. I have not written. Similarly, page 3 has come. So how many pages you are going to add? Automatically, this are going to add on your page automatically. This is how we can say that your header and footer will reduce your pressure, reduce your word pressure, and automatically everything will be coming out. Now your cursor is there. You cannot put your cursor in this part, that is the body part of the page. So if you want to remove this cursor from the header and footer part, then you have to go to the header part. Okay, and you can you can double click on any of the part inside the body, and you can see that you are there in the body. Now header footer is not editable. Again, if you want to go to the header part, you can double click on this and you can reach to the header part.